Okay, today is Sunday, May 18th, and this is a test lift of the WIND-SAFE sign. And I'm just lifting it here with some this polyethylene rope. We'll be lifting it with galvanized wire rope. Okay, this is a 10-foot conduit, comes right up to there by comparison, and you can see this is the burning bush curiosity device, and that's with a 6-foot spokes on it right there. Okay, this is for what it's worth, this is the view from up here. There's the WIND-SAFE sign right there. Okay, now here is a close-up of the hub of that 6-foot curiosity pinwheel. You see it's mounted to the tree right there. And it's 6 feet from tip to tip, the spokes on this hub. That's the hub spinning right there. This is with 2 spokes on it. This hub can have two spokes, 3 spokes, 4 spokes, 6 spokes, or 8 spokes. These pulleys are 2.5 inches in diameter, and they're rated for 500 pounds. Right there. Right there is the intersection of Coleraine and Elmore Street. Normally in the week this is pretty busy. There's a pan view. This is not exactly the greatest location to put something like this up, but this is the only place I've got, and getting a lot of engineering data on how to put this thing up in crazy places. Okay, now for raising and lowering this sign, they got a pulley right there and come down here. And down in this area right here, we're going to put a sprocket, a spool, and a big crank to raise and lower the sign. Obviously, when you're doing this, you'd want to be wearing a hard hat just in case. But the thing is wonderfully overbuilt. The cable is rated for working strength of 400 pounds, and those pulleys are good for 500 pounds. Okay, here's the cable. It's aircraft grade galvanized wire rope. Its breaking strength is rated at 1,700 pounds, and its working strength at 425 pounds. And I would estimate that sign probably doesn't weigh over 30 pounds. From my experience with experimental airplanes, I've had several crashes with those, and hang gliders and ultralights and stuff. It's all about safety, safety, safety. So everything on this project is being just wonderfully overbuilt. It doesn't cost that much more, and it just gives you the peace of mind. Okay, this is the view of the situation from the this out here is Coleraine Avenue, and this is Elmore Street going this way. So we're at the intersection of Coleraine, Elmore Street, and right down there where that big tree is where the sign is set up. Okay, so here we are getting closer. You can see it's about 10 feet up here. There's the big tree, the hackberry tree, and the right there is the hub of the burning bush curiosity device, and right over here is the WIND-SAFE sign. Okay, here's a closer view. Now what we're going to do is we're going to have 2 stanchions, one right here and another stanchion right there, the width of these uprights here, attached to this old ladder device, and that will be what holds the sign up. There's the pinwheel. And you can see that's with a 6 foot diameter and 2 spokes on there. Got another close-up view. There's those 2 pulleys. They're rated at 500 pounds each. And the wire rope will come up, across, and down right there. And then there, of course, is the WIND-SAFE sign. Then this area down where this old ladder is, we'll put some tar paper down here in it to cover all this up. So all you'll be able to see is the pinwheel right here and the sign over there. Well, I guess that's enough for right now. So we'll take the sign down and start making those stanchions and the spool for the wire rope and so forth.